In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your N8N account. Whether you're no longer using N8N or you're looking to manage your online footprint, I'll guide you through the process clearly and simply. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official N8N website by typing N8N in the address bar. Once the site loads, look for the sign in option, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your login details to access your account. Once you are logged in, head to the admin panel, your central hub for managing account and workflow settings. On the dashboard, look for the option to cancel subscription or a similar button. It may vary depending on your account type. Clicking this will move you toward deleting your account. If you are on a free trial, there's good news. The trial will expire automatically and all associated data will be deleted without requiring any manual steps. For full account deletion, or if you encounter any issues, you can contact the N8N support team directly through their website or community forum. They'll guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your account and data are fully removed. And that's it. Following these steps will help you delete your N8N account safely and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides and tutorials.